In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your Freshdesk domain, which is a crucial component for accessing and managing your Freshdesk account effectively. Whether you're an agent assisting customers or an admin managing the platform, knowing your domain is essential. Let's delve into the two most straightforward methods to help you find it. First off, the easiest way to locate your Freshdesk domain is simply by checking your browser's address bar. So, when you're logged into your Freshdesk account, whether that's with agent or admin privileges, you'll notice your domain right there in the browser's address bar. This domain generally takes the form of something like xxxxfreshdesk.com, where XX represents your unique subdomain. Now, if you're an administrator with access to additional settings and functionalities, there's another method available to you, which might give you a bit more information and control. You can find your domain through your Freshdesk dashboard. Here's how you do that. Once you're logged into your account, navigate your way over to the Admin section. Under this tab, proceed to the Account Settings, and from there, go into the Helpdesk settings. Within these Helpdesk settings, you'll be able to see your current Freshdesk URL clearly displayed. This will be structured just like the example, yourcompany.freshdesk.com. Now, it's worth noting that if your Freshdesk plan allows it, this is also where you have the flexibility to change your domain if necessary. This can be especially useful if you're rebranding or making other significant changes to your business that require a fresh domain name that aligns better with these changes. And there you have it. By following these simple methods, you can easily identify and, if needed, modify your Freshdesk domain. Remember, knowing this information is not just about accessing your account, it's a crucial piece of your customer service and management toolkit in Freshdesk. Keeping this information handy ensures you and your team can access the functionalities you need to deliver excellent service. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these steps helpful in managing your Freshdesk platform more effectively. If you have any questions or would like to explore more functionalities within Freshdesk, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to provide further guidance. Have a great day managing your help desk.